Hey guys, today we're gonna be looking at my new speakers I just got the other day. They're a Logitech z623, I think. They're 200 watt subwoofer, and they're really good. They have two satellite speakers. They look like freaking Miss Fuller speakers from West Union, but I like them. I'm gonna play a song, and then it's probably gonna be it, but I'll play a little bit of the song. I'm playing, if you like the song, it's Walk 'Em Down by Roddy Rich.
Posted in front of other tribes, sending to the sun come down. Take a wipe off the map, when I hit him with this whole running round. Young dog in the gun with my clock, you wanna play it, then it's going down.
Young cock with a Glock.
Get the blazing, I'ma lay him down like he in a line.
Oh yeah.
Walk him down, 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 walk down on them in Balenciaga.
Paper files.
Just like an anaconda. You go against me, then you just like a youth.
Look.
I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good gifts. Still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk them. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stop them. House of tape up on the scene, I had the white top. Running from my gun, but my bullets can't posted.
Oh, it fell.
Selling to the sun come down. Take a wipe off the map, when I hit him with his whole running round. Young dog in the gun with my clock. You wanna play it, then it's going down. We ain't hesitating, but let's get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. I was posted on the corner where the J's at. Roll up in the 4x4, pull up at the crib, and I got red in my tank when I bought some. I remember.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and pause it, but they're really, really, really good. I got them for like 200 watt subwoofer. They're like $100. But yeah, they're a Logitech Z623s and 200 watt subwoofer. And so yeah, that was all the video was gonna be. Bye.